Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my tutorial on how to manage your YouTube comments, report spam and ban commenters. So to access your channel comments, in your sidebar here, click on comments and it will show you a list of your newest comments that you haven't responded to. And if there's something held for review, these will be ones that YouTube think is kind of spammy. It will show here. And then ones that are really spammy, it will show here, likely spam. So right now I don't have any of those. So if you see this right here, you can click on this action menu, 3 little dots here, and it will give you options to remove this comment, report this comment, hide the users from your channel. This means all the comments will be removed from your channel videos, and also you can always approve comments from this user for this comment and all the future comments. And you can also add this user as a comment moderator. So if you have a lot of fans, ones that you trust, you can add them as a comment moderator and they have the ability to remove spam for you if they see it. So since this is spam, I'm going to report this as spam. So you can select here unwanted commercial content or spam, or if it fits any of these other categories, you can do that as well. So I'm just gonna hit report and then click OK. And now the thing is with YouTube comment, I'm not sure why after reporting it as spam, they do not automatically remove this for you. So you still have to remove it yourself. So you can also hide a user from channel to remove all of his content, all of his comments. And if they comment something really special, then you can add a heart. So I'm gonna give him a heart and a thumbs up. And once you heart somebody, it will also notify the commenter that you have left them a heart. And that's pretty much it to managing your comments. Pretty easy and fun. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube beginner-friendly tutorials, tips, tricks, and marketing tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.